Hi, I'm John from Design Tag. This video is in response to requests of people asking for more information about the Vault System 60. This configuration is aimed at being transportable, easy to put in your bag, rucksack, etc. Here's how it goes together. At the base of the system is a dedicated wet pallet. By placing sponge, your grease-proof paper and the sealable lid, it can be kept fresh and ready to use. Next to the shelving unit, there are two types of shelving units, Type A and Type B. Type A has 3 shelves and is aimed at citadel paints. These are the layer paints, shades and also contrast paints. It can hold up to 15 paint pots. The second unit type has 2 shelves and it is aimed at housing dropper bottles up to 80mm. By choosing the components that best suit your paint needs, the cube is now ready to have the side clips applied to keep your paint safe whilst in transportation. Ensure that the modules are firmly seated within each other by applying a little pressure to the top of the cube. I've found the easiest way to place the side clips is by sliding the cube over the side of the desk and locating the bottom of the side or travel clips. Once located, hold with your fingers the middle of the clip into the grooves and lifting the top of the clip. This will then snap into place. This is now secure, ready for games nights, hobby nights, or if you're just going away for a couple of days and you want to take some paints with you. The shelves can be placed horizontally for storage or vertically for display. By using the shelf clips to the outer edges of the shelves you want to join, you can add a level to security to its holding. If being held to a wall, it's an idea to use the wall mounting clips to hold it in place. The Vault System 60 is totally 3D printable. It can be printed on any of the usual print beds, which are normally 220 by 220mm. The modular system has been designed so you can configure your own workspace in whichever way you require. All paints can be kept totally visible, negating the needs of picking up 5 different paint pots to find the colour you want. As your paint collection grows, you just print more shelves. The prints are designed to give as little waste as possible, saving on filament, ready to print more shelves. If paints need to be stored and not displayed, paints can also be stored horizontally. This gives you a solution for those double up paints you've got or paints you don't use that often. Add-ons or alternative designs are going to be produced every month. You can subscribe and keep up to date if you want.